Hey guys, welcome to Unboxing My Future, and today we're looking at what I got from a local coin shop for 100 bucks. Now what I basically did was I went into the coin shop, the local coin shop, and I said, hey, I have 100 bucks here. I just want some silver. Doesn't have to have a premium on it. It could just be generic silver rounds. And I basically told them, give me what I can get pretty much for 100 bucks, and here's what I got. And there's 5 coins in here. So if you kind of do the math, you take 100 bucks divided by 5 coins. I spent about 20 bucks a coin at the local coin shop. And as you can see, just generic silver rounds. 1 troy ounce, 999 silver. Nice and shiny. Life, liberty, and happiness. There's the Liberty Bell. And all these are the same. So I just got 5 silver rounds of the same design. 5 ounces for 100 bucks. I mean, you guys comment. What are you guys getting out there for 100 bucks in this market? Are you guys getting more? Are you guys getting less? Are you guys getting about the same? You guys think silver is high? Do you think it's pretty low right now? I mean, comment your thoughts down below. And here it is again, guys. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay guys, that's going to be the end of this video. And again, today I went to a local coin shop and spent about $100, and this is what I received. 5 ounces of silver, 5 generic silver rounds. And I'm curious to know, what have you guys been getting for your money out there? Have you guys been getting about the same amount of silver that I got today? Have you guys been getting more? Have you guys been getting less? I'm curious to know how much you guys are getting for $100 or a little bit more. So definitely hit me up and let me know in the comments, and also make sure or be sure to hit the like button, and also consider subscribing if this is your first time here on our channel. This has been another video from Unboxing My Future, and we'll definitely see you next time. Thank you.